So today is Onam actually here, and I'm in Dubai. So actually I'm going. There is one event. So like Chai Pe Charcha. So there a lot of people will come and they will do some discussion, some activities and all. So I'm just going there and I will show you. And today is Onam also in Dubai, and there is some festival also, like from local festival. So for that, there is a holiday also today. So I will go and I will show you. So actually that event is in Burjaman. So I'm going there. Next to Burjaman, actually there is one like cafe type, like a Bukkhad cafe something. I will show you. So there only I'm going. Backside you can see this is actually Dubai airport area. Actually I'm staying next to airport, so I just taken this bus. So it is coming on the way with this airport. So it just stopped here. So this is actually Dubai airport departure area. So I met he's Mr. Kareem from Egypt, right?
Egypt, yes.
Okay, and these are his friends. So
Say hi. Mr. Ayman. Mr. Ayman. Lisa.
you're from
Philippines.
He's from Philippines.
Egypt.
And he's from Egypt. I'm from India actually.
I'm here almost 7 years in Dubai. Actually, I'm Sara Hindi मालूम है, कुछ भी मालूम सही है. ये अच्छा दोस्त है, अच्छा इंसान है.
Yeah.
And it's a very nice to meet him today.
Yeah, even me also we suddenly met actually, and we just started talking and it was very good. So have you been to India or not?
I didn't go to India, but it will be a pleasure for mine to go there for sure one day. I have too many friends. I just want a new invitation to India.
Yeah, sure. Actually, here you met so many India, right?
Yes, a lot
So
of
how do you like them, and how do you feel that?
they are quiet, they are educated people, and they doesn't like trouble. That's the best thing what I like about Indian people.
Why they don't like travel? How can you say?
Yeah,
They came to here by travel only, right, in Dubai.
no, actually, that is some people think like that, but really, all the Indian people that I met them here, they doesn't like troubles. They live a quiet life, and really, when you met them far away from the world, they are very educated, they are well dressed, and they are very good people.
Yeah, actually, why some people don't like travel now? Actually, India have already like so big country actually. So I think every type of weather and culture will get in India. That's why people sometimes don't like to go out of city actually. And they will be in the city and they will go there and travel there actually locally. So this is the one reason maybe. And yeah, actually he is here from 7 years and he know well Hindi also. So can you say something in Hindi?
So in Punjabi, Haji Baji, Kyala Ji, in Malayalam, Sugamana, and in normal Hindi, Kya hal hai, Kya hal chalwa.
Actually, I'm in Karama now. I'm just going to there, that cafe. And today is Onam festival, so you can see a lot of Indians wearing traditional dress. करामा इज फेमस फॉर इंडियन एक्चुअली. अगर आप यहाँ पे आते हैं तो आपको ज़्यादातर इंडियन मिल ही जाएंगे.
Guys, please sit here.
I'm going to have my Maggies and some people are playing some games. One game is finished, now we are going to do second game. This game is like a puzzle game.
Instructions are written that the game is each team gets a puzzle, but some pieces are missing. Okay, in this some pieces are missing.
Where will we find the missing pieces?
The missing pieces of the puzzle are with other team.
Oh,
Okay, and some of the missing puzzles.
Guys, देखो कैसे कट वाले निकालो pieces. वो order होंगे. यहाँ बनाएगा last.
ये तो बहुत ही easy है, ये तो first वाला. ये
किसको चोट लगा?
Oh my god. So I go into office every day, every weekend I look, and that's all I get to do. Look at it and
Now it's been 1 month since I've come to Dubai and I'm working in financial advising and hoping to be a wealth manager in the future. Yeah, looking forward to my time in Dubai.
Yes, from Bangalore. So I work for a fintech company. So we are doing an app for NRIs, like a super app which basically lets you invest in India but in USD currency.
Like tells CEOs who to fire, who not to fire. So I'm surprised no one stopped me yet. But which is
you did tell us before, no?
Actually, this event is done now. We are going one cafe here.
से शराब ढलती है क्या कयामत है उनकी अंगड़ाई खिंच के गोया कमान चलती है यूं हसीनों की जुल्फ लहराए जैसा जो तुमसे दिल को लगा है मिले हसरतों का जनाजा उठाए है मालूम हमको तुम्हारी हकीकत मोहब्बत के पर्दे में करते हो नफरत कहीं और जाके
Bye bye. So it is around 11:30. I need to go. The party is going to end. So this cafe name was H Room actually, and it was so good actually. They are playing song also and you can enjoy. So अभी actually मैं जा रहा हूँ मेट्रो लेने, and it was really so much fun here today. I enjoy a lot. So अभी वो है सराफ डीजी मेट्रो स्टेशन, so I have to go there and take the metro. दुबई में कुछ सॉरी नाइट में कुछ दुबई ऐसे दिखता है. I will अभी रात के 11:30 हो रहे हैं, बट स्टिल आपको दिख रहा होगा पूरा रोड प्रॉपर चल रहा है, लोग आए जा रहे हैं. I'm going to take the metro. तो यहाँ पे ऐसे यहाँ पे बस स्टेशन होते हैं, लाइक यू कैन वेट फॉर द बस. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will try to make a lot of vlog here so that you can get to know about Dubai life and all. So I just started. Please subscribe and watch the video.